I've been watching Sin and taking her little Thursdays with Sin. She's very motivating. You can join the group, Sin Meadows. She teaches you to think outside the box, think positively. She gives you some insight on what her life is like as an e-commerce business manager, as service provider for other companies in selling their products online. Through trial and error, she has been able to make a program that will teach you how to be able to sell on Amazon, Shopify, and other platforms without a big investment of your own time and money. She was able to create a goal for herself in being able to retire early from her full-time job. And I'm very grateful because she inspired me to be able to look beyond my retail experience, my retail world, and look at online selling, something that I didn't embrace as a brick and mortar retailer. Had I hired Sin several years ago, I might still be able to have my retail store and sell online successfully. But now I've kind of adopted the where there's a will, there's a way, and if you can't beat them, join them attitude. And so I have signed up for her 90-day e-commerce business management certification program. Again, thank you, Sin, for just inspiring me, motivating me, and giving me an opportunity to do greater things. God bless.